This morning, I'm on my way to work and I was crying in the bus suddenly. I don't know why. Maybe, maybe lately I just feel so alone and I feel like everything is not working for me. And then I ask God, why? Why me? Why all these things is happening to me? But then God answered me with this song. It's from Samantha Ebert, Flowers, and the lyric is, Lord, why are you keeping me here? He answered, Child, I'm planting seed. And I was like, wow, God is so good. He's loving God. I feel like I want to cry right now. I mean, our God is so good. All this time, I feel like this past few days, I felt like I was so alone. But then I realized that God is always with me. He's always with me. Our God is a loving God. He is very, very, very loving. If you feel like your life is heavy right now, remember, like the flowers, take time to grow. So you are. God bless you. Bye.